first we are taking this badminton shuttlecock shell for the making of the pillars of the Puja Mandop. Then we cover the pillar with this paper. Now we are making the base with thermocol. We have made 3 layers here, as you can see, and we make this 4 hole in it so that we can fix the 4 pillars into it, just like this. We have made this design for the roof. One thing we should say that we are running this video quite fast, so if you guys have any difficulties understanding the steps, you can ask in the comment box freely. Okay, now we are covering the roof. This is for the background. We need to do some cutting here. Now we cover the base with this paper. It is done now, and at last this is the finishing touch. So it is absolutely ready now.